your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts.
Oh, yeah, first I say hi.
Your blue eyes fade to
Hey guys, good day, welcome back again to my channel. So guys, I want to take you guys along. I want to go and buy phone, so I want to go and look for a phone that, I need extra phone. So I have been using what they call it, I've been using Samsung for years. So now I just decided to switch to iPhone. So I have tried all my possible best to get one for myself, but it didn't work. So now I want to go to the shops, to go look for shops. So I just want to take you guys along to come with me, so where I will buy my phone. Since I came to Germany, so I've never in my life buy, I think is monthly payment, let's say monthly payment. So I've never in my life buy anything monthly payment. So it's today that I'm going to try it. So guys, let's go together. So let me show you guys what I'm wearing. So this is what I'm wearing. So this is what I'm wearing. So this is what I'm wearing. So let's go together, let's go check the phone. Hopefully I'll get the one I want, because the last time I wanted to take iPhone 14 Pro Max, but the monthly payment is so expensive. But I just decided to go try it again today in another place. So guys, I'm going with Efosa. I think at the floor of the phone, I'll take one milk. So I'm going to be taking this 1 year plus. So I'll take some bra, 6-8 months. Milk. So I take that. So I'm going to be taking this. I'm going to be taking some vitamin here, and even this one, this multivitamin is very important though. Me won't buy for me. So I will take this for me. I'll take this for me. I will also still take from here. Yeah, to put on. I be get before, I don't see my own. So wait till I can't take again. I like that vitamin orange. This one a mango. Yeah, this one are people who want lose weight. Now let me take for you. So I'll be taking from here. Yes, for water. So mango like this. See, all this vitamin D, vitamin B12, all these things are so important. I buy for Amazon. No, in menu. Let me take from here too. Let me add from here also. And this thing are for throat too. All these things are for throat. To clear throat. Yeah, all these one are for throat. All these one are for throat. Now this one I go buy for pharmacy that day.
My throat is good.
All those one are for throat. So nah, €3 something.
Okay,
I use this one till they miss the milk.
Yeah.
I use this one till they miss the milk. My son not they eat till I miss am with this one.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'll soon stop am. 2 years he go stop milk. So make I take 2 of this one. 2 of this. Money never finish. And but me take 2 of this. So see this for market.
Yeah.
This one are for spoon. This one are for the bottle. Yeah. The door beg you go. Not be small thing. So guys, I want to take brush. I know. I will ask. So I want to take brush for my daughter. I think I'm going to be taking this. Might I take this one for treasure.
Yeah,
This one or this one. This one I already get this one. So I think might take this one. Forget yes. And if I take this one now, if not pink, Ariel will say you want to. I might take this one for Ariel, but how much? Let me take this one. How much now? So go. No, Emma, get fashion. This one, I use this one too. Although after brushing. Yeah. This one I rest your mouth. So guys, I'm so tired, so I'm just coming back home. The phone matter did not work, so it not gonna work because of I be see where they reduce though. I see where they make some hand cables, but my money was not enough because that place they make hand cables, they make reduction. They said that when I want to buy, I will buy cash. I don't have everything with me. As for now, I don't have that kind of money, But hopefully next month I'm going to have it. Then I just decided to go to the other shops to buy my son food, you know. Yeah, give it to Bruce. To buy his food. So this is what I got. Oh, Tata! Hey God, we don't see condensers. So that's it, guys. So let me remove this thing from my head. I'm tired, so it's paying me head. Movie. So guys, first of all, I take this one. You take some bottles so that you sell bottle to Atos. So guys, let me show you guys what I buy for 60. That's what I got for 60 something euro. Because I know they don't the amount. Let me show you guys. Sorry in case you are hearing noise. I just went and picked my children from kindergarten, so that's why you are hearing their noise. Let me remove this one. So the phone did not work. Oh, I really need this phone, you know. I wanted to buy camera again. I just decided to buy iPhone, you know. So your guy don't hold that. It's short. I'm so rich right now, and this is what I got for 60. Let's see how much. It's Roseman that I go. So I bought all this stuff in Roseman. I think it's, let's say, 60 euros. It's 60 euros, yeah. 60 euros. 59.99. So it's 60 euros. So I take one milk because hey, give him first. Eh? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Oat meat, chicken wings. You have to. I bet Christopher is doing it so good. So I bought this milk. This is 1 year plus. See, this 1 year plus. You see? So this is the one that is taken from now because it's 1 year plus. It's not up to 2 years. As soon as it completes 2 years, I'll just stop paying for drinking this milk. You will now enter normal milk. That, you know, that 3.5 supermarket milk. Yeah? You will enter that one. But as for now, you should go to your room. I have a decide choose. So that's it, guys. So I'm so tired. As soon as it's 2 years, I'll stop him for drinking this milk. Then you'll be drinking normal milk, you know. And the doctor even said I should be giving him once a day. So I will say a week, once a day. I also buy this bride. So this one is just like cellular, you know. So I'm using this one to mix his milk, you know. I use this one to mix his atamel because this is the milk I normally give my children. I give all my children this milk, you know. So I'm using this bride. This one is biscuit one. I'm using it. I use it to mix this one. I also use this one. It's also bride. I also use this one. This one is grease. I also use this one to mix the milk. Why all this one that I bought? All this one are for spoon food, you know. So this one is spoon. Oh, at least this one still lasts us like a week, you know. This one is spoon's own, and I take 4 of this. This one is for spoon. I normally take two, you know. And I also I took this also. I also buy this. These are vitamin, you know. In this period, I think everyone needs this vitamin, you know. We need vitamin because their children daughter, she always asks me, are you taking vitamin? Is the children taking vitamin? Because our skin needs sun, you know. So we don't get that sun yet. So that's why we have to be taking vitamin to prevent those stories that touch, you know. So I got all this. My children love taking this one too. So my children also take this and this, so and this. You know, so this is what I take for myself and for my family, you know. I also take this one for myself, you know. I took this supplement for myself, you know. It's also vitamin. It has all the vitamin in it, you know. So this is it. It has all the vitamin. I buy this for my children also. Let me show you guys the one for my children, you know. So this is the one I bought the last time for my children, you know. So if you live in Germany, go get this vitamin. It's very good, you know. It's for family. But this one, I'm giving this one to my children, you know. I still have a lot inside. It's also this place. So this one is for my children. Then I just decided to buy this for myself. Let me see how old can take this. I think this one is for, okay, this one is for children from 6 years. Children from 6 years can take from this big one, while from this one here is children from 1 year upwards can also take this one. So I used to buy this one for the children, while I will buy this one for myself, you know. Maybe when my husband wants to take also, he can still join me. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. What? He wants to talk. He must enter video. Don't you wait? Where's your home? I have to tell you. I also buy this for Harriet, you know. So we took one of this, and this one is for Treasure, you know. Look what you take for the. Oh yeah, you want to say hello? Oh yeah, say hello. You went out with Mama. Oh yeah, say hello.
Hello.
See you. So you follow. Come and do your hair. So guys, I'm going to be making Treasure's hair today. Funfiare. Harriet is Funfiare. So this one is for me. Yeah. You, this one is not for you. This is for Mama. So I want to give them. So this is how it looks like.
What the other one? Let me see.
No, you're not doing the other one because we are small. You're not also doing. So you come and take. Ah, it's finished. Oh, yeah, lick it. between it. But actually, come and take. Come and take. You don't need.
Mommy, this is smaller. This is bigger.
No, it's from.
Mommy, this is bigger. This is
Cacao.
ice with cacao. Ice cream with cacao. Mommy,
So guys, see you guys in our next video. Subscribe. You have said that to like and share.
Share the videos.
Yeah. This is what I wear. Let me show you guys what I wore today. I will show you guys outside today, but it's like the place was not that clear, you know. This is what I wore today. Oh.
Yeah.